Guys, we are buying gold at the market, and this is the stop and the target. This will be a swing trade going till tomorrow. So I'll be updating you as we go along on this one. Next update in the trade, I'm taking this trade till tomorrow, and this is like we are moving in the direction, giving us good sign. So let's see if our target get achieved tomorrow. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. So guys, this will be the final update in the gold trade. Market is about to open. Gold is opening gap up, so it will be giving us our targets. So it has opened a gap up, but not that much. I guess it's going in the direction. So we still have to wait on this trade, and we'll see how this trade plays out. I just refresh the chart. Yeah, so it's going in the direction, so we need to just wait for a couple of hours. Guys, final update on the gold trade. This is the, I think, one, two, three, fourth, fifth day, and finally we are booking the profit. So I'll see you soon once I see any other good trade also, and I'll be updating you on that one also.